Victims of Sunday's Ethiopian Airlines crash were from at least 35 nations, according to Kenya's transport minister. Kenya had 32 nationals aboard flight ET302, which crashed Sunday morning en route to Nairobi.
We can now confirm that there were at least 35 nationalities. And I'm saying at least because as of now, 2 are unknown. Among the most affected, as you may expect, is Kenya, which had about 32 passengers on board out of the 149 passengers. Other nationalities involved with number of passengers in the flight were Canada with 18, China with 8, Netherlands with 5, Egypt with 6, Ethiopia with 9, France, UK, 7 each, India with 4, Italy with 8, and then we have Slovakia with 4, and the USA with 8. The other nationalities who had like 1 or 2 passengers on board.
The flight left Bola International Airport in Addis Ababa at 8:38 a.m. local time before losing contact with the control tower just a few minutes later at 8:44 a.m.